Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp link for easy messaging. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the address bar. Type in the following URL, https://wa.me/ and your phone number. Replace this part with your full phone number, including the country code, but without any plus signs, dashes, or parentheses. For example, if your number is like this, you'd type. If you want to pre-fill a message for users to send you, use this format. Replace this part with your custom message. For instance, remember to use %20 for spaces and encode any special characters. Copy the link you've created and paste it into your browser to test it. It should redirect you to a WhatsApp chat with your number, either opening the app or the web version. Now, you can share this link anywhere, on your website, social media, email signature, or business card. That's it. You now have a custom WhatsApp link ready for easy messaging. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.